Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone joining us around the world. Thank you for being here today. More than 15 years ago, Summa introduced its very first flatbed cutter. Since then, we have continuously evolved, innovated, and refined our technology. Today, we are not presenting an upgrade. Today, we are unveiling an entirely new generation of cutting solutions, marking the biggest innovation leap in Summa's flatbed history since the first Summa flatbed products in 2010. This is a very special moment for all of us at Summa, a key milestone in our history, and we're excited to sharing this moment with you. Let me take a step back. 2 years ago, we asked ourselves, what should be Summa's role in the flatbed cutting market? Should our offering remain centered around precision, ease of use, and reliability? Do we alter our propositions? Do we enrich them? For us, it is evident that everything we do should be measured by the value it creates for you, our customers. So we went to the people who could help us on this quest, our customers and our partners. Based upon your input, we took a decision. A decision to take a major step forward as a company, to redefine what flatbed cutting should deliver in the modern production environment and build an answer to it. A new flatbed that keeps the promises of Summa, precision, ease of use, and reliability, and simultaneously adds power, experience, and connection. The work we did over the last years to bring this new generation of flatbeds to life changes as a team and as a company. That's why we also translated our renewed identity in a new tagline for the company. Summa, imagination sharpened. It captures what we do and what we enable. We sharpen ideas into reality. We empower creativity with precision. And most importantly, it's an invitation to think bigger, move faster, and push boundaries together. Today, we are incredibly proud to show you the result of our work. Welcome to the next generation of Summa.
As Stijn just mentioned, we indeed spend a great deal of time talking to customers, partners, operators, and production teams across the world. We wanted to truly understand what is happening on the production floors today, not just in one market, but across the globe. And everywhere we looked, 3 major challenges kept coming back. First, skilled labor is becoming incredibly difficult to find. More than 72% of the businesses report struggling to recruit qualified operators for printing and cutting equipment. And even when companies do find talent, onboarding and training often takes weeks or even months. In today's environment, simplicity is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Second, profitability is under pressure. Labor costs are rising, material costs are rising, shipping costs are rising, but for many businesses, passing those increases to the customers is extremely difficult. Margins are tightening and operational efficiency has never mattered more. Third, customers are looking for new revenue opportunities. Versatility has become essential. One moment you are cutting final graphics, the next you are producing packaging prototypes. 10 minutes later, you are handling signage, foam board, or wrap film. The result of this versatility? Many businesses told us their cutters are only active cutting a fraction of the day. The rest of the time is spent on setup, manual handling, tool changes, job preparation, or workflow bottlenecks. The insight fundamentally changed how we approach the future. So when we started defining the requirements for our next generation flatbed platform, we built everything around 3 core pillars: power, experience, connection. Power, speed, and efficiency go hand in hand. So it all starts with hardware performance, which is the fundament for productivity. It is about smarter engineering, stronger tooling, and eliminating bottlenecks across the entire production process. Experience is all about operator. We wanted to create a machine that someone could learn in less than an hour. A platform designed to simplify workflow, minimize errors, and reduce scrap from human mistakes. And connection means openness. We believe your cutter should work seamlessly within your ecosystem, integrating with feeders, stackers, RIP software, and other automation solutions without complexity or barriers. We brought all of these ideas together. And today, we are incredibly proud to introduce the next evolution in flatbed cutting, the new F Series Vantage, a new generation of flatbed cutters engineered to combine industrial productivity with exceptional precision. Meet the F Series Vantage, faster across the workflow, operator-friendly by design, and built around an open ecosystem. Here is what it means in practice. Up-down movement speeds increased by an incredible 400 mm per second. Cutting power doubled to 20 kilograms or 40 pounds. The performance of the EOT increased by a factor of 2.5. And for the first time in this category, we introduced a powerful 3.7 kilowatt high-frequency router delivering up to 60,000 RPM. The most powerful router in its class. Combine that with simplified installation, operator onboarding in about 1 hour and industrial-grade safety systems, and what you get is not just another cutter. You get a true production powerhouse. And the impact is not only theoretical. Across 5 independent customer cases, including kiss cutting, foam board, corrugated board, acrylic, aluminium, the F Series Vantage consistently delivered productivity gains exceeding 40%. A step change in performance.
More than 40% productivity gains across every single test scenario. So the obvious question is, how is that even possible? The answer is simple. We did not upgrade an existing platform, we reimagined flatbed cutting entirely. From the ground up. From the chassis to the electronics, from the tooling architecture to our completely redesigned GoProduce operator software. Every single component was challenged, redesigned and optimized around one goal. Delivering faster workflows, simpler operation and smarter production. So let us walk you through the 7 breakthrough innovations behind the new F Series Vantage. Bart?
Thank you, Randy. First off, our next generation ADC technology. Precision starts with consistency. That is why the new F Series Vantage features our next generation automatic device calibration system. When triggered by the operator, the system performs an advanced 3D blade scan, continuously analyzing cutting parameters to ensure every cut remains perfectly calibrated. It even recognizes different blade types to compensate for different lag and burr-free blades. Not just the first cut, every cut. Randy.
Number 2, the ultrasonic media thickness sensor. We also wanted to eliminate one of the most common sources of production error, incorrect material setup. So we integrated an advanced ultrasonic media thickness sensor. As jobs are prepared, the machine automatically measures the material thickness without touching the material, reducing setup mistakes, improving repeatability, and minimizing operator dependency. Smarter setup, less waste. Bart?
On to the third one, our new tangential modules. We completely redesigned our tangential modules from scratch. And the result is a major leap in both speed and cutting performance. The new Fast Plus module delivers incredible up-down speeds of up to 400 mm per second. optimized for maximum throughput. And the second configuration is engineered for pure cutting power. Our Core Plus module delivers up to 20 kilograms or 40 pounds of downforce for demanding applications. But here's the real advantage. Whichever module you choose, you still gain access to the full flexibility of Summa's tooling ecosystem. From kiss cutting to cutting rigid materials. Randy.
Number 4, the high precision multi-material tooling. Versatility was another critical focus area. Customers told us they do not want to lose valuable production time constantly by changing tools. So we developed a new high precision cutout tool and a new rigid material cutout tool. Both of them powered by automatic tool recognition. The machine instantly identifies the installed tool and automatically configures the right settings, making workflows faster, easier and more reliable. Bart?
Thank you, Randy. On to the fifth one, and it's a big one. Our industrial-grade 3.7 kilowatt router. When applications become truly hard, and you can take that literally, we introduced something entirely new. A powerful 3.7 kilowatt high-frequency router delivering up to 60,000 RPM. The most powerful router in its category. Designed for processing acrylic, aluminum, wood composites and other rigid materials with industrial-grade precision and performance. Randy, on to you.
Yeah, Bart, the sixth one. One-click workflows with action sets. Of course, hardware alone is not enough. That is why we completely rethought the operator experience. Through our new GoProduce software platform with action sets, operators can now launch complex workflows with a single click. No steep learning curves, no complicated setup sequences, no memorizing of endless parameters. The software guides operators step by step, reducing training time dramatically while improving consistency and productivity across the entire workflow. And Bart, the final one?
Thanks. The final one is our intelligent LED workflow feedback. This feature is the first thing everyone notices on the machine. Our brand new integrated LED feedback strip. It's simple, intuitive and instantly visible. Blue means the machine is ready. Green means production is running smoothly. And red? Well, honestly, we don't expect you to see a lot of red, because great workflow design should communicate instantly, without requiring operators to stop, think, or troubleshoot unnecessarily.
So, today we are proud to introduce the first two models in the new F Series Vantage family. The F1612 Vantage and the F1625 Vantage. The F1612 Vantage is designed for production environments where space matters, delivering exceptional capability in a compact footprint, ideal for applications ranging from adhesive vinyl and banners to reflective films, laminates and sheet materials. Compact in size, serious in performance. Bart?
The next one is our F1625 Vantage. This is built around versatility and production flexibility. Designed for standard 4x8 foot or 160 by 250 centimeter media, it handles everything from vinyl and foam boards to corrugated materials, PVC, plywood, MDF, aluminum, sandwich panels, acrylic, felt, and so much more. One platform, endless production opportunities. And the best part, Randy?
Well, both the F1612 Vantage and the F1625 Vantage are available starting today. You can experience them live at Vespa Global Print Expo 2026. Visit one of the Summa experience centers either in Belgium or in the US. Contact your local Summa reseller for a personal demonstration or check out our revamped Summa.com website. F Series Vantage, where production meets precision.
So, how did the industry react when we officially unveiled the new F Series Vantage earlier today at Vespa Barcelona? The answer? The energy was incredible. From long-time Summa customers to new visitors discovering the platform for the very first time, the response has been overwhelmingly positive. People immediately recognized what this launch is really about. Faster workflows, smarter operation, greater versatility, and a platform designed around the realities of modern production. But rather than hearing it from us, let's hear it directly from the show floor. Earlier today, our reporter Nicola, she spoke with visitors, partners and industry professionals live in Barcelona. She captured their first reactions to the new F Series Vantage. So let's take a look. And while this video is playing, we would love to hear from all of you as well. Our team is now opening the live Q&A, so please start sending in your questions. Whether it's about applications, workflow integration, tooling, productivity, availability, we are here to answer your questions. We are looking forward to the conversation, and thank you very much for joining today's webinar.